So we all know how nice it'll be to just get handed out $100,000 or even $10,000, and in today's video you will learn exactly how to do that. I'm going to be giving you guys 3 lenders that you can get funded for your LLC in just 48 hours, and all the requirements that you need to have is 6 months of being an active business, being an LLC registered within your state, and only having 3 months of business bank statements that show proof of income. This method requires absolutely no personal guarantee, no business credit, and the application process is pretty fast. But before we start this video, man, make sure you guys go in the links in the description. I do have a lot of useful links. You guys can get a lot of ebooks on a lot of ebook store. Also, we do have the YouTube memberships for a very cheap price. And guys, you don't want to miss out on any of these exclusive investing tips over on the YouTube memberships. We have everything from trading to trucking to crypto to even making money online and even starting an online business. And speaking of starting online businesses, don't forget to check out the Calendly/KINGLATTA link in the description. And over on the Calendly link in the description is where you can schedule a one-on-one consultation call with me. I'll answer any questions that you have about this trucking industry. If you have any worries, pros and cons, I will answer all of them, and I'll even help you set up your trucking business, your online business, and even help you start up a full online drop shipping store. But I know what you're thinking, man, this is not what you're here for. So let's get right into these lenders. Let's get right into how to get this money in only 48 hours with just having an LLC. Let's get into the desktop. Woo! All right, so as you can see, we're over here on the desktop, and we have the first lender pulled up where you can get funded in just 48 hours. No business credit required and no personal guarantee. But anyways, man, as you can see, it's called Forward Financing. So over here on Forward Financing, it is a trusted source of fast, flexible financing for small businesses. So they're targeting small businesses, guys, and they will give you some funding. So let's just see what they have to offer. As you can see, they have a customer story and all that to try to hook you in or whatever. But anyways, guys, you can access capital with attainable eligibility criteria and a reasonable amount of required documentation. So this is more so of the 3 months of business bank statements that I was telling you about earlier in the intro. So anyways, they have a fast processing time, so you can often get your funds in the same day. Also, they have flexible products, so payments are a percentage of a business revenue. So if your business decreases, your payment can too, and interest never occurs. So if this is something that sounds good for you, then go ahead and get started with Forward Financing. But if you don't know what that means that I just said, it says payments are a percentage of a business revenue. So that means, guys, however much money you are making is how much money you're going to be paying back. So if your business starts to lose money, then Forward Financing is going to understand. And then, so say your loan is going to be $1,000 a month. Let's just say $1,000 a month. Then boom, you start losing $5,000 a month in your gross revenue for your business. Now your loan is probably going to be around $700 per month. So simple as that. And then, guys, they're a transparent approach. So you get a clear, easy to understand info along the way. Everything set up for you and more stuff about customers, and then you can easily apply for your funding at this green button right here. So let's just see how this apply screen looks, and it's going to be pretty simple, man. Everything that you always put, which is going to be your first name, your last name, your business name, and then on the next page you're going to have to put your EIN and all your business information. And guys, for these business loans and any loans period, even home loans, car loans, you always want to put that your occupation is something that is like a high ranking position. So you want to put CEO, or you want to put manager, or even owner, you know, when you're filling out these applications. And even though that your business is only making, let's say, $5,000 a month, you still want to say that you're making 70 to 80k a year, even though $5,000 a month is only 60k, because you want to put the projected, or what you're supposed to make, so that the banks will see that you're making a lot more money than what you actually are. And this is how you can get approved for more funding. So this is the apply tab. So let's just go to how it works with Forward Financing. And as you can see, you can get $5,000 to $300,000 upfront capital, auto debited daily or weekly payments, guys. So this is, you know, you can do an auto debit weekly or daily. So I wouldn't suggest doing that daily, because that is a lot of money coming out every single day. But 3 to 12 months estimated payment period. So you would have to pay this between 12 months, guys, 3 and 12 months. And you know, if you're trying to borrow $20,000 and you want it for 12 months, that's not that bad. If your business is making $10,000 a month, now you only have to pay back, you know, a little bit less than $2,000 per month. So it is what it is. That is forward financing. Our process, as you can see, meet the simple requirements, apply, get approved, renew, consider additional funding. So they could probably, like any credit company there is, if you do a good job of paying them on time, paying early, paying back more than what you're supposed to, then they will give you more loan options. So that is how credit works. That is how loans work. You pay them on time, you give them their interest, and they'll give you more money in the future. So the next one we have, guys, is going to be called Rapid Finance. So with Rapid Finance, as you can see, we have the apply button. It's simple, right on the home page, but bump all that. We're not trying to get into that right now. They have quick funding within hours of approval. $3 billion funded across various industries, guys. So $3 billion, that is a lot of money. That means that you can get a chunk of that pie and at least get, you know, 20K, 20 bands out of this company right here. But anyways, they also have flexible payments, auto payments tailored to your business needs. So whatever your business is making, they're going to negotiate the rate for your payments. Business financing solutions, guys, they have a line of credit starting at $5,000 to $250,000, terms up to 18 months. So that is a year and a half to pay back this $5,000 or up to $250,000, depending on what you're approved for. But let me tell you right here, guys, when you are applying for business credit, you know, just because you are a new business, you're 6 months, you have 3 months of business bank statements, and you have an offer. Actually, hold that thought. Woo! Right here on the floor next to me. You have an offer like this right here, if it'll zoom in, but it's all wrinkled up. But you have an offer such as this right here, and this offer is for $40,000. Just because you get these offers in the mail, just because it says you can get approved up to $250,000, doesn't mean that they're going to give you $200,000 or $40,000. No, once they see your business bank statements, then that is what they're going to loan you out. And most of the times it is 2 to 3 times of what you're making monthly of what they will loan you. So if you're making $10,000 monthly, they will loan you $30,000, and vice versa. One time for my trucking business, I called up the check that said I got $88,000. I asked him what I have to do to get the $88,000. He said the business needs to be making $20,000 a month. So that's a little bit over 4 times the money. So that is how these loans work. You're not going to get the full amount. It says $5,000 to $250,000 for a reason. So if you're only making $5,000 a month in your business, you might get that minimum $5,000 loan. But some companies probably not even going to approve you, but these 3 will in just 48 hours. So stay tuned for more so you can get more information on how to obtain these business loans. Before I get too much more into the video, man, don't forget to check out the links in the description, man. Subscribe to the YouTube memberships where you can get exclusive investing content. You don't want to miss this investing content. And you definitely, if you are in the crypto industry, if you are into trading, you definitely want to learn how to make this money the easy way. I make trading simple, and you want to learn how to make money in binary and Forex trading. The videos down below. Also, you can reach out to me and schedule a coaching call, a one-on-one, and I'll help you start up your online business. I will help you start up your trucking business, and I will even give you the best tips and best strategies for the trading industry. And if you're more so of a reader, man, we do have a lot of ebooks on a lot of ebook store. Don't forget to check that out. Back to the video. Woo! Alright, so Rapid Finance, guys, you have small business loans as well, up to $1 million. As fast as 24 hours, you can receive this money, and the terms are from 3 to 60 months, and you can have automatic daily or weekly payments. So I wouldn't suggest the daily because you're going to be paying like $100 a day on a loan or whatever, so I wouldn't suggest that. But they also have cash advances, and this cash advance you can get up to $500,000, and you can receive this as fast as 24 hours. Easy fast application, flexible payments based on receivables, whatever that means. And yes, guys, so if you did have some bad credit, personal credit, Rapid Finance, they have a monitor right here of how much you can get loan for. So even if your credit is fair, all right, and our business is a small business, so we're going to go to the 20K, you could be qualified for 15K. And let's go to even smaller, 10K a month, you will qualify for 7K. Now, if you have good credit, you will get $9,000, making $10,000 a month. And let's just say you're making 5K a month, you will get 5K that you qualify for. So let's just run it down real fast. If you have good credit, decent credit, you're making $5,000 a month, you can now get loaned up to $5,000. This means that you just doubled your monthly income. So with that $5,000 that you just got, now you pour that right back into your business so that you can make another $5,000 to pay that loan off. And now you're still positive $5,000 because you just doubled your income. And now whatever you bought to help your business advance will make you that income back each month. And then you could do it again. And Rapid Finance just might finance you for more money than this 5K by making 5K a month. Or actually, you will be now making 10K a month because with that 5K, you just made 10K a month. So now you will qualify for $9,000 and Rapid Finance has already worked with you. So now they will probably approve you for $10,000 or $11,000 by having good credit, making 10K a month. So yes, that's a cool tool to use. If you have excellent credit, you can get approved for 15K for $10,000. And all of that numbers right there. You can see it on the site. Easy application, all of that, guys. All this good information over here on the site. Get your quote today. You press the quote button thing. So with Rapid Finance, man, it's an easy way that you can get loaned up to 24 hours, man, and pay this money back within 6 months. So go ahead, check out Rapid Finance. And now on to the third lender, the third place that will give you some money for your new LLC, and that would have to be On Deck Financing. So we have On Deck Financing, and the first thing you see here is that you can get $300 cash back if you get applied and if you get accepted. So OnDeck.com will give you $300 cash back just for getting accepted. So you can really just go on here, get a free $300 and a free $1,000 loan. Try to do something to flip that $1,000. If you need a quick way to make money, I do have trading videos right here. You can literally make $1,000 in 5 seconds. Boom! Now you just made $2,000. Now pay back that loan, and now you have a free $300 at that. And they have a 10-minute application process and fast funding. $15 billion delivered to U.S. businesses, a A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And guys, they have the On Deck line of credit for $6,000 to $100,000 for a 12, 18, or 24-month financing period. And then, guys, this is great for ongoing business needs. So, just a small line of credit for simple daily things such as, toilet paper from Quill. Again, a Quill. And what's the other one, guys? Drop it in the comments. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Uline. That's what it was. If you didn't drop that in the comments, then I don't know what you're doing. But go ahead, guys, and spam up in the comments some Net 30 companies that you know that we might not know, and just help out your peers around you, man. But Uline and Quill are good Net 30 companies to help you build your business credit. And also, this is something that you would need for your business, such as like toilet paper, pencils, pens, small things like that. If you are in a trucking business, they have dollies and they have, straps, everything that you need, all the business materials. You can order it on their website. They report to the credit bureaus. And guys, this is the line of credit good for essential business needs, such as small things like that. Then they have the On Deck term loan for $5,000 to $250,000. Repayment up to 24 months. All right, so up to 24 months repayments, and this is better for large investments. So let's just say that you are in a restaurant, right? You're in a restaurant in Texas, you got thousands and thousands of people coming to your restaurant every single day. You need about 30 grills. You need about 30 grills so that you can cook 30 burgers on each grill. And now you just made 900 burgers, and now you're selling 900 burgers for $5, and now you just made $4,500. Your profit is $3,000, and now just by making $3,000 a day, you are now a millionaire in just one single year, guys, because if you make $3,000 a day, 3 times 365 is almost $1 million. So you can calculate that. You can quote me on what I said. 30 times 30 times what? $5. So yeah, flip them burgers, make your money, and pay this loan back fast. And on deck financing, guys, they do have no hard credit pulls, fast funding. As you can see, you can get this money in the same day. They do build business credit history, which is good for your small business. You can see on the credit history that your business is getting paid out, getting loans taken care of, paying everything on time. Business credit going up. 1 year in business is the minimum requirement for on deck. Actually, personal financing score is 625, and the business annual revenue has to be $100,000 business checking account. So that's what you have to have for on deck. But there is a lot of requirements for this one. That's why I made it last. And guys, as you can see, this is why they have a lot of requirements, because you can get up to $100K or even $250,000. And they're not just going to hand that out to anybody making $5,000 a month with no credit and barely have been in business for 7 months. So yeah, guys, that is how on deck works. And if you enjoyed this video, man, please leave it a big thumbs up. Comment down below some other ways that you want to learn how to get this funding and some other ways that you want to learn how to make this money fast, and I will deliver. Schedule a coaching call with me, and the link's in the description. You can get a one-on-one so that you don't have to watch this full video. You can just talk to me and get all the information spelled out to you with no interruptions, man. And guys, don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships and a lot of ebook store. But with all that being said, subscribe to the channel, like the video so more people can learn how to make this money the fast way. My name is KINGLATTA, and we out. Woo!